What's up guys, it's Brandon, Kathy, and Todd here with Just Out and About. Today we are staying at the Pop Century Resort, as we will be for the rest of the week, and we are riding the new Skyliners today. This is our first time, so we're very excited to be doing it, and our destination is Epcot.
Alright, so let's check this out.
Guys, I think we're going in.
Come here, guys.
Alright guys, here we go. Hold on to your hats.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway. We are now gliding over Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
Well, I can say it's hot today, and there's a breeze blowing through here,
Yeah,
so it's not so miserable.
Yeah, it's surprisingly cool, actually. I think it's very comfortable. Right now we're going past Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
Gentlemen, welcome to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. This is our final destination. All passengers must disembark at this station. Transfers and return service are available. Thank you for flying with us.
Okay, we're coming in for a landing.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Okay, so from here at Caribbean Beach, we are having to get on another Skyliner to Epcot and Riviera.
Things really move, don't they?
Yeah.
Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to Epcot. Hold on to your straw hats. We are about to enter the heart of the Caribbean. We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, home to a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands. We will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney Vacation Club resort that celebrates the relaxing seaports and romantic vistas of Europe's Mediterranean coast.
I guess we'll have to get on that line to go to Epcot.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort. If this is your final destination, please prepare to disembark. If you are traveling to Epcot today, please remain seated.
Oh, so we don't have to get off?
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings,
we're coming in
and
hot.
watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Okay, so when you get to Riviera, you stay on, and it takes you on Epcot. Here we go.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
Tower of Terror.
Okay, guys, we're coming in. Actually, you come in the back to the International Gateway, and we have never actually came into Epcot through the International Gateway. So this will be a first time for us.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, we will be taking a scenic spin around the Skyliner turn station. Please remain seated. This station was designed for turning only.
Oh boy, here we go. Think we'll do a loop-de-loop? And we're stopped.
Okay, so we're in the turnaround station. And one thing, guys, I don't know if you've noticed or not, it's kind of hard to see out of the Skyliner when you're on a car with the character screens on it.
Mm-hmm.
So it's the first car actually that we got on did not have the screens, so we were able to get a good view of everything. But if you're on a car with the character screens, it's a little bit more difficult to see out. It's like to our left is the Swan and Dolphin Hotel.
Coming into view is Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. From elegant dining and magical lounges to lively entertainment just off the shores of Crescent Lake, this charming seaside resort relives the golden era of Atlantic beach towns and turn-of-the-century amusement parks. World Showcase today, now might be a good time to practice your holas, ni haos, and konnichiwas. When you arrive at each nation's pavilion, cultural hosts will be waiting to greet you in their native language, helping make your visit to Epcot a truly international exchange. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving at Epcot. This concludes your journey aboard the Disney Skyliner. All passengers must disembark at this station. Return service is available. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed the most magical flight on Earth.
See them working on the Ratatouille right now.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor,
Ooh, we're coming in hot again.
hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente.
Hey guys, and as you can see, we've arrived here in Epcot. It drops you off here right by the International Gateway, and which is right beside the French Pavilion, which is right over there across the waterway from us.
So what do you think about that?
What do you think about it, Brandon?
It definitely went a little bit faster than I expected it to go. When I think about the kind of like gondola style thing, I always think of that little helicopter ride back at Carowinds and how we used to fry in that thing, and it was actually surprisingly cool in there. It's like 90 degrees outside today, I think. So yeah, it was definitely nice.
For me, it went a lot higher than I was expecting, you know, especially on the way over to Epcot, you know, on that straightaway. But shoot, really nice, enjoyable, comfortable ride.
I thought it was great.
No issues.
It slowed down a couple times, maybe stopped briefly once or twice, but it's excellent. I would highly recommend it.
Yep, so...
It's a great new addition.
Okay guys, so that's about it for us today as far as the Skyliner goes. But be sure to follow us just out and about on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
And be sure to hit that like button and comment and subscribe.
Thanks guys.